Hey y'all, can we talk for a minute? I hope you guys can hear me because I am pretty far away from the camera, so I don't know if the audio will pick up good. Maybe I should move the camera closer. And now I have to worry about if this video is blurry because I moved the camera, so I don't know what's going on. I can't see that far. Anyways, so I wanted to talk to you guys about some stuff. So I did a post on the community tab about my videos like losing views. So like my subscriber count is growing, but my views are getting lower and lower. So I was just kind of asking y'all if you've lost interest or if I was boring y'all. I got so much feedback, a lot of good, a lot of negative, but I understand that it's constructive criticism. But there's some things that I wanted to cover. So I've been replying to all of the comments, but I thought maybe if I made a video talking about some things. I'm gonna scroll up and start from the first. So I'm getting a lot of comments about the Paparazzi lives. I know a lot of you don't like them, a lot of you don't watch them, you don't want to watch them, you don't like the jewelry, you don't want to buy the jewelry, and that's totally understandable. Like, that doesn't bother me at all. You know, you don't have to watch the Paparazzi lives, you're not required to, and even if you was to join our lives and watch them, you don't have to buy anything. Yeah, like, you could actually just sit there and chat with us and watch the lives and get to know us better, because those lives are more than just paparazzi. Of course, the goal or the main topic, whatever, is the jewelry. So that's the majority of the live. But as soon as I cut the camera on, these cats are like, anyway. But they're more than just that, you know. We talk with people. We're more raw and obviously unedited. So you see a lot more of our personalities and what we're like, or if I'm in a bad mood and Alan's aggravating me, you see all of that, and I don't hide that. I'm an open, honest person, and you get that in the lives. So yeah, the lives are more than just jewelry, but if you don't want to watch them, you don't have to, ever. Look at these cats. Do you know how long I've been sitting here drinking my coffee and these cats have not even come near me? They're like kids, right? If you're like busy or something, or you're talking on the phone, kids want to be on top of your head, that's what they're acting like right now. I'm loving the attention though. But anyway, so yeah, if you don't like the lives, you don't like the jewelry, you don't have to join in on that. That's totally fine, I totally understand. A lot of you are saying you want more cleaning videos. To be honest with you, I have full intentions on doing cleaning videos for a long time. However, I'm going to be honest, I have not been cleaning. I have garbage piled up by my front door right now that I've been too lazy to take to the garbage. That's just the truth. I could sit here and lie to you, but I have not been cleaning. I just haven't. I don't know why. I've been tired. I just haven't felt like cleaning, and I think a part of it is the Halloween decorations right now. I feel like when they're out, I can't do that much cleaning because my counter and this part is covered in Halloween stuff. So as soon as I take all of this stuff down, which I am going to very soon, since Halloween is over, this is November 2nd. We usually like to keep this stuff up until Thanksgiving, but that is not happening this year. As soon as I put all of this stuff away, I am going to start more cleaning videos. A lot of you mentioned cooking videos. And here's the problem with that. I love to cook and I love to do cooking videos. But when you have a picky husband who wants the same meal every day, but switched up, like every other day it's pork chops, green beans, and potatoes. Okay, then it's buffalo chicken, buttered noodles, and green beans, or a salad. Like, when you have a picky husband who only wants to eat certain things, I can't just record that and make that a video every time, because it would just be repetitive. Like, oh, I'm gonna do a cooking video again. Here, I'm making pork chops, and then a week later, another cooking video. I'm making pork chops. So leave some comments down below and tell my husband he needs to try something different and be open to different meals, because that's one of the reasons I don't do a lot of cooking videos. Grocery hauls was mentioned. We haven't grocery shopped in a long time. Like, we've ran to the store and picked up something small, or, you know, the other day we picked up a rotisserie chicken and that we had our little meal. But we haven't actually grocery shopped to do a grocery haul. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's reasons behind the things I do and don't do. And I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Thank you to everyone saying that you love my videos and that you watch no matter what. I appreciate it so much. Some of you said I should start a different channel for my jewelry stuff. I just don't think that's a good idea, because my friends, my family, my following is here on this channel. So starting a whole nother channel for the jewelry thing would just be too much for me. I don't know if you guys know this, but when I first started YouTube, I had like 4 different channels. I had Lady Cookie Luck, which you can go check out. It has all my old videos on it. They're embarrassing. Lady Luck Tutorials, which is the channel you're on now. I also had Lady Cooking Luck, which was a food one, and I also had Lady Cookie Luck Music, where I did all of my singing, lip singing, music, whatever. But that was too many channels to keep up with. I ended up deleting the music one. I restarted my cooking one, and then I slowed down on that one because I was like, wait a second, why do I have a separate channel for this? I should just do it all on my Lady Luck tutorials. And then I never post on Lady Cookie Luck, so I just don't think it's a good idea for me to start a second channel. I think that would be too much. So it's just easier for me to do it here, but like I said, if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. It's simple. But that doesn't mean you should unsubscribe to me and stop watching me. Just don't watch the lives. I mean, I am subscribed to people that do lives. When I see them pop up on my phone, if I don't want to watch them, I don't watch them. If I want to watch them, I click on them, you know, whatever. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to cover, because there's a lot of comments I haven't responded to yet, so I'm going to look at that. Grove, another thing I wanted to cover, because some of you mentioned like that you liked my cleaning videos before I started using Grove. I want to say, aside from Method, I had never used Mrs. Meyer's products before, or non-toxic cleaning products, okay? So I tried out Grove and I ended up loving it. Just so you know, my Grove links in the description are affiliate links, but I do not get anything free from Grove unless they're doing like a special where you buy this, you get this free, which I've talked about before. I pay for everything that I get from Grove. Every cleaning product I pay for, so it's not sponsored post. I can't help it if you don't like that I shop at Grove or that I use natural cleaning products. But to be honest, when I first started like doing a lot of cleaning videos, I got so many complaints and hate over using products that were not non-toxic. I got so many people just being so rude to me about the cats and you need to do this, you need to do that. So I was like, you know what, maybe they're right. Maybe I should try some natural stuff. So I started buying from Grove, and then all of a sudden, now that I use natural stuff, and I still use my other stuff too, I do, watch my videos. I still use bleach, I still use whatever I want to, because that's what I want to do. But when I started using the non-toxic stuff, then everybody started running their mouth about that. Like, oh, we don't like that you use natural non-toxic stuff now. It's like, I can't win. So from now on, I'm just going to do what I want to do. You get what I'm saying? Like, people were mad that I didn't use natural, so I use natural. I thought it was a good idea. And when I started using natural, everybody was mad that I was using, yeah, I just can't. I can't please all of y'all. So, yeah, I still use Grove because I love it. I love the fact that I can buy all of these cleaning products at great prices, get free stuff with my purchase, and it's delivered at my door. I think it's fun. Getting a box of cleaning supplies is fun to me. It would be like someone who loves makeup or clothes or perfume. If you were to get this big, huge box of makeup, you would just be so happy opening that, like, oh my God, look at all the stuff I got. So I happen to love Grove, but I also happen to love shopping at Walmart and Target for my cleaning stuff too, or grocery stores like HEB, whatever. But Grove does have great prices, just saying. And the free stuff, I like that. Someone said they stopped watching my Paparazzi lives because me and Alan seemed rude at times. I don't think we've ever been rude to our actual friends in there or my actual subscribers, but we are pretty rude to trolls, and we are pretty rude to people that are rude to us. I mean, that's just the truth. But if you're a follower of mine and you feel like I've been rude to you during one of the lives, forgive me. I don't know everybody's usernames or everybody's first and last names, and I don't know who everybody is, especially if I've never talked to you before. So maybe we thought you were a troll. A lot of my friends in the chat do the moderating, so they do kick people out, because if we're not familiar with someone in there or we think you're a troll, you get kicked out. So if we've ever been rude to you, we are sorry, but it wasn't intentional. We probably thought you were a troll, because we get so many of those. I get a lot of disgusting, harassing comments, just degrading, yucky stuff. So you have to try to understand that. Like, I don't know who everybody is. I try to give everybody a chance, but my guard goes up sometimes, so I have to be careful. So some of you say that a lot of my videos are just like pretty much advertisement stuff. One person said they watch my videos and it looks good until about 20 minutes in, they say it's a sales pitch. Once again, you don't have to buy anything, you don't gotta click anything. If you like what I'm using, but you don't want to click my link because you don't want me to get like a small commission, buy it somewhere else. Google the product. Like, that's totally fine. I guess I do a lot of sponsored things. I do. And I do a lot of advertising for companies. That's kind of my job. So, but if I was to sit here and do a cleaning video, a get ready with me, a makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, and I did all of these things but never once told you what product I was using, you would end up asking, well, what eyeliner was that? Or what curling iron was that? So while I'm doing cleaning or whatever I'm doing, I'm going to tell you what products I'm using, whether I'm affiliated with that company or not. If I'm using, do you get what I'm saying? Like, yeah. I don't understand that. Like, do you want me to do videos but not tell you what I'm using ever? Nobody would like that. So if you think like it's all a sales pitch, you don't have to buy anything. And I'm not really selling it. I'm just showing you the stuff. And if I have an affiliate link, believe me, I get a small commission. If I make a sale, do an affiliate link, I get a small commission. Very small. Very small. Anyway. I hope none of this is coming off rude. I'm just trying to address some stuff. I love doing cleaning videos. I love doing cooking videos, makeup videos. Like, I did this post because I wanted to know what you guys wanted to see. I understand how some of you feel, and I understand that you don't like certain things, and that's totally fine. I'm not even mad about it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. I'm not mad. I get it. I'm just trying to cover some of this stuff. That is all. Ashley Lunsford said that Alan should do my makeup, and I think that is a great idea. So if you agree with Ashley Lunsford that Alan needs to do my makeup, encourage him down below. We need to encourage him to try different foods and to do my makeup, because I would love that. I've asked him to do that before and he doesn't act like he wants to, but I think it would be so fun, funny, so great idea. Some of you are saying that you don't get notifications, so make sure you're still subscribed to my channel, because sometimes YouTube unsubscribes people. You can turn on the notification bell, but you don't have to. But just in case, if you want to. Anyways, I think I covered everything that everyone said. You guys said you love my cats, so here's a good cat shot. So I'm not mad at you guys. I'm not upset. I'm not that insulted. Some things kind of, oh God, she's shedding terrible. Some things was kind of like, really? But I get it. I understand. Wait, you don't gotta unsubscribe to me just because you don't like my lives, and you don't gotta watch them. I know I've already said that. And if you're sick of seeing me use Grove products, then next time I get a little extra money, I'm gonna go down and buy some other products and use them then, if that's what you guys want to see. And there I go again, trying to make people happy, but that will never make y'all happy. Also, if I'm still using a lot of Grove products in my cleaning videos, that's because I have those products, so I'm trying to use them and not waste them, and not just go spend money on other stuff when I have stuff already here, you know? I'm gonna use what I have because that's what I have. I'm not gonna waste it. Anyways, I think I covered everything. I think I said everything I wanted to say, hopefully. But I am the type that as soon as I cut this camera off, I'm gonna be like, dang it, I should have said this, I should have said that, I shouldn't have said this, I shouldn't have said that. I don't know. This is just my, I just woke up, I'm drinking my coffee, morning chat with y'all. Morning chat. Yeah, all right. I guess I'm gonna end this video. If you're wondering, I am wearing a full onesie. I am. The feet aren't enclosed, they're cut out, but I am wearing a onesie because all of a sudden Texas decided it wanted to be cold. So yeah, I'm freezing. And I have my Christmas cat blanket, which I use all year long. No shame. Okay. Anyways, I guess I'm done here. I think I covered it all. And I'm probably gonna get a lot of paid. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But I'm gonna end this video now. I'm gonna finish my coffee. I'm gonna edit this video, and then I'm gonna post it. But again, seriously, sorry if I insulted anybody, and yeah, sorry about that. And also, now that I'm looking at the camera, I can see a little better. I look like I'm Molly on the big comfy couch.